Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Atiqah. So in this video, I want to give you some tutorial with make a tutorial a simple game with microeconomic. And then this video is for English SKL. And then the English SKL is about tutorial make a simple game in microeconomic. And then first you have to write meconomicro.org on your Google, and then we have to log in first. But if you don't want to log in, it's okay. But if you want your game is will save like this, you have to save first, and then in hashboard there is new project. Then you have to click this, and then I want to make a simple game is shooting game, space shooting game. Actually, I already make, but I want to give you some tutorial shooting game like this. Okay, so first is on start. We have to, I think, wait. Oh, we have to make a variable, and then the variable is spaceship. Yeah, spaceship like this, and then okay, and we have to drag set spaceship to 0 in on start, and then after that, uh, we we have to drag loops. I think. Oh no, it's advanced, and then in game, and then create sprite at x and y. In forever, we have to drag in here first. Okay, and then for the number, x is 2 and then y is 4, like this. Okay, and then we'll move in variable. In variable, we have to make a variable 2 again. The new variable name is enemy. Enemy, it's musuh. Okay. Okay, and then after that, we have to drag set enemy below set spaceship, and then we have to game and then create sprite again, and then for the number no, we have to drag one code first in math. In math, we have to drag pick random in x, and then for the number is pick random 0 to 4, 4, and then y is 0 to, and then we go to variable again, and then make a variable again. The new variable name is can shoot, can shoot, then okay, and then we drag set can shoot below set enemy, and then in logic where we drag true in here, and then start countdown in, wait, we have to search start countdown, yeah, this below set can shift, and then for the number is not 1 but 2, yeah, like this, it's 2 second maybe, yeah, it's 2 second, and then okay, in we move we have to make a new code and inside the forever in on code on start is already done. And then we have to move to forever. Inside the forever there is we in game go to game code and then we search. Wait, it's sprite moved by one. This and then we have to change the sprite as spaceship like this. And then after that, we go to game again, and then we search sprite if on edge bounce, and then change again the sprite as spaceship. Okay, if already, we go to logic, logic block, and then menu logic, and then in variable, we have to make a variable again. Then the new variable name is bullet. It's look like that. And then we have to drag this variable bullet in true. After that, we go to game block, game new, and then sprite move by one again. And then we change it uh, to bullet. And then after that, the number is still 1. Okay, and then we move to function. In function, we have to make a function. Oh no, not. Oh, in function, make a function, and then do something. We change to crash, crash like this. So we have to make a new code, and then in function we have call crash, and then we drag below bullet move by one. It's so um, okay. After that, we go to basic, and then pause, and then we change to 200. Yeah, 200 minutes. Okay. After that, we move to function code. Function crash. Okay. Inside the function crash, we have to add. We go to logic first, and then we drag if true, and then we have to click the button plus, and then we have to click this again, and then we have to uh, click this. After that, in if then we go to game block, and then we search if touching. Now if is no, not this. Ah, if that's true, is touching in here is bullet touching enemy. first enemy. Okay, we go to variable, and then we drag enemy. Okay, after that, we have to add change score in game code. Change change score. Where's change score? This, and then I change score by one, and then delete in game two. Delete sprite, and then delete palette. Delete palette. After that, delete again. We just have to duplicate in below delete palette, delete enemy, and then we have to add set sprite in variable. I think this set, and then we change the palette to oh no to enemy. Set enemy to we go to game, and then create sprite in in here, and then we have to in math, yeah, in math, and then drag pick random in X, and then pick random 0 to 4, and then y is 0. Okay, and then go to variable again, and then set palette. No, it's set sprite. We change to can shoot to in logic block. It's true to true. So set can shoot to true. Okay, and then in else if we have to logic, and then this we have to drag in else if, and then the this block then, and then inside this we have to add in game. It's really big. Sorry, we have to add this spike. Okay, we change the sprite to bullet, and then the x is y, and then it's equals 0. It's still 0, and then delete. We just duplicate, just duplicate, and then it's changed to palette, and then set can shoot to true. We just have to duplicate again below delete palette. Set can shoot to true. After that, we have to make one code again. The code is okay. In input, we drag on button A press. Inside that, we have to add in logic block if then, and then we have to in variable we make no we add the can shoot variable inside the true, and then below that below we have to add in variable 2, and then set ballot 2, set ballot 2, and then we have inside the number this we have to add we have to add create sprite create sprite create sprite Wait. Set size to 45. And then we have to add again. And if the moist water is not touching like this. Okay, wait. We'll go to the next phase. And what gas is it? It will happen. The carpet when we come to okay, so in here, like this, we have to create sprite and then add game is sprite x. We have to drag inside the number and then we change the sprite to spaceship and then we have to add again the sprite in here and then it's I think y, that's y and then sprite is spaceship 2. Yeah, after that we go to game block and then sprite turn. It's sprite turn left. Sprite turn left by 1990. I think it's bad. And then the sprite we change to ballet. Okay, and then set set in variable we have to drag set as ballet and then change to can shoot. Scan shoot. And then inside the number we have to drag no in logic and then drag false lock like this. I think it's already done for the code. This is the code. Yeah. Okay. Then I will explain a little bit for the function of the code. Yeah. Okay. On start, we make the sprite like this. This is the spaceship, I think. Yeah. And then create sprite. Uh, this is place the place her on start. Okay. And then after that, set enemy. We have to. Okay, this is the enemy. So we have to shoot the enemy spaceship. The spaceship must shoot the enemy, and then the enemy will pick random for one in where and then set can shoot and then when set can shoot the spaceship can shoot the enemy, it's true, and then start countdown 2 seconds and then on button A press if can shoot column if can shoot if can shoot and then the ballot create sprite and then the ballot will show in will show in spaceship. Yeah, then on button A press like this the ballot will show in the spaceship and then the ballot turn left by 90 and then set can shoot to false. Okay, and then forever the spaceship move by one and then the spaceship if on edge bounce. And then the if ballot will move by one, and then call crash. It's like broadcast, and then pause to 100. Yeah. And then this is a broadcast, and then this is a receive. Then if call crash, the function will berfungsi. And then if the ballot touching enemy, okay, I will retry. And then like this, if the ballot touching enemy, change score by one, and then ballot will be deleted. And then delete enemy too. If ballot touching the enemy, uh, they will uh, be they will remove. Then set enemy to create sprite at x pick random, and then enemy will pick random the pick random the place, and then set can shoot to throw, and then if else like that, ballot is y equals 0, the ballot will delete it, and then set can shoot to throw, like this. And then I will show you like what this is start, and then sorry, this start, and then we have to shoot the enemy. This is the enemy in uh, up, and then in down is spaceship, the character. Okay, I will retry. Okay, we have to shoot the enemy like this, and then if we shoot the enemy, change score by one, it will add the score. And then okay, and then uh, if the minute is over, it will game over, and then will show the score. My score is 6. Okay, like that. It will game over. Then the time is just 2 seconds. Yeah, I think 2 seconds or something. Okay, and then it's over like that. The simple game for me. Okay, maybe that's all from me. The tutorial economic orbit simple project. And then sorry if I made a lot of mistake in my work. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.